Hey guys, Tom here with Velocity, back with another quick tip. Today we are showing you how to use the spare tire carrier. This is a setup that goes on the back of the Bronco. It's super simple to use. Underneath the carrier there is a lever. It's black on this truck, but it could be color matched. You're going to pull it towards you, might be a little bit stiff. That unlatches the catch that secures the tire and the carrier in place. From there, you can just swing it out. A lot of times this is called a swing away spare tire carrier. Why? Because it swings away really easy. Once you're done with it, you can swing it back. What you want to make sure you do is align this latch with the holder. And then as you get close to the end, just with the way the weight is distributed on this, you're going to lift it up ever so slightly and you'll see it falls back into place. And with the latch aligned, just pull the lever back into place. It's going to feel a little bit tight. It is quite strong. You have to push it. Why? Because we want this to be nice and secure when you're driving your truck down the road. This is a really cool option and it is actually available to refit. So if you see something in the showroom that you like, or you have an existing Bronco, we can actually put this one on after the vehicle's complete.